My name is Andy Sims. I'm the site general manager of British Sugar Berries and Edmunds Sugar Factory, and I've worked for British Sugar for 3 years. Across the pre-silo operation where we make the sugar and the post-silo operation where we package the sugar up for our customers, about 330 British Sugar colleagues plus contractors. The weather certainly helps, so sugar beet like sunshine. The crop will naturally turn sunshine into sucrose. So the crop is adept at converting sun's radiation into sucrose. So days like this really help the sugar content. Mother Nature will determine the average overall, but so far we're predicting the sugar content to be about average for the last 5 years. The site is almost 100 years old. So it was first built in 1924, started running in 1925, and I would describe the site as it's got a very agricultural front end to the site, as you'll have seen today, with raw sugar beet being delivered, and it then goes through a series of industrial chemical processes, and towards the back end of our process it becomes much more like a food factory. So the closer we get to white sugar crystals, the more like a food factory our site becomes. So it's got an agricultural front end, it's got an industrial and a chemical feel to the middle part of the process, and a food factory feel to the latter part of the process. We take natural gas and we convert that natural gas into electricity in a combined heat and power plant, which produces both electricity for site consumption and export to the national grid, and also produces the steam requirements and the electricity requirements for the site. Most of the kit on site, hasn't ran since February, so we're commissioning it, and getting it going, and you find leaks and you find challenges with that. But we're pretty reliable, and we've had a very good, safe, reliable startup. Probably our biggest challenge has been the ambient temperature. It's really warm. The sugar factory inherently inside is very warm, so the conditions for our colleagues inside on a 30-degree day, it's really hot inside the factory. So the warm weather is lovely for sugar beet. It's lovely for sugar content. When the temperatures start to drop, it gets easier for our colleagues that are working inside the factory. We wish all of our growers, our hauliers, and our industrial and agricultural partners a safe campaign.